We have changed the exhaust here.
Yeah.
Here.
We changed everything.
Everything.
Yeah.
Inside is gorgeous. Actually, I really love it. This purple, I love it.
Yeah, it's nice.
I love it. I love it.
We changed the exhaust system. The intake is OEM. So we only changed the exhaust, the suspension, the wheels, the front, rear, and
yeah, there is all carbon fiber outside. Yeah, that's it. And
of course interior.
How many horsepower now?
330. Yeah, so this is the maximum with this engine. You can't go higher without changing the turbocharger or something like this.
Okay, perfect.
And when we do this, we do it not like the turbocharger. We do everything. So the grey 4C on our booth, he has the 2-liter engine. Okay. So we took the 1.8.
Yes.
We made it bigger and stronger, of course. Okay. So the engine is up to 1,000 horsepower. And not this one, the grey one.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, so this one is really fast.
Yes. So we go around here in Monaco, or?
We are driving on the roundabout through the tunnel. So
okay,
we are driving to the track of the Formula 1. Okay. Yeah, on the beach.
Yes.
At the harbor, and then we go back to the pit lane.
You have a problem with police now?
No, not yet. If I continue driving like this, we won't have problems.
Okay, okay. But you actually, if you go to the tunnel, there isn't anything in the tunnel. Outside.
Yeah, but the problem is when I'm in the tunnel, everybody in surrounding of 1 kilometer can hear me. Yeah, so
I imagine
that is the main problem at all. Okay. And I can't tell the cops then it wasn't me because they see driving and this car is unique, so I can't tell them anything.
Okay, okay, no problem.
Oh, this Porsche is good smelling.
Old cars problem.
Yeah. This is old car problem, this is rich car problems here.
In the 4C there is the lift system. The lift system?
No.
No? Oh.
Nope.
Nope.
This one hasn't it. On the outside of the car that the spotters know who made this car. They see a purple Alfa Romeo 4C and they don't know who made this. So I want something, a sign or something on the car with Pogea Racing on it.
Well, you put your logo on the front.
No, yeah, the logo. Yeah. But most of the guys don't know it.
Well, you can actually make maybe a wrap with some
this would be the best way.
actually this car need an exhaust because the stock is
It's horrible.
yeah, it's really horrible.
It's a mix between ugly and not loud.
Exactly, it is. The car is beautiful, but then when you hear it,